Students, today we are going to the rest of the topic in our planning activities. So first one is the strategies, policies and planning premises. Planning premises. Planning premises means systematic and logical estimate for the future factors affecting. Planning premises are the assumption providing a background against which notes and model. A key part of the planning is to establish of the clear planning. Planning premises are defined as the anticipated environment. A company strategy consists of the competitive moves, internal operating approaches. So various level of strategy which is implemented in our organization. Corporate level strategy, business level strategy, and then functional strategy. All the corporate strategies are taken by the top level management. For this, we are utilizing the BCG matrix. So the tabulation gives the self-explanatory. What is strategic planning? Strategic planning is a systematic process. So it shows the difference between the strategic planning and corporate planning. The big strategic question is developing a vision and mission assessment, setting objective, strategic planning, future thinking, strategic intent. Strategic plan, the vision, aim and objective. Strategic analysis, constantly evaluate their position. Internal audit, productivity, efficiency, cost, labor. External audit, political, economical, social and technological. So for this, we can compare the SWOT analysis. Strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. Weakness is the things prevent you from the higher performance. Opportunities, potential gain. Threats is the challenge controlling the organization and the external in nature. 5 forces of model of competition. Supplier of key input, threats of new entries, competitive relatives, and threats of sustainability. So if there is a gap between the vision and assessment, we have to fill it up. Setting objective, the purpose of a generic strategy. Fourth generic strategy is differentiation strategy, overall cost leadership strategies, focus strategies. Type of strategies: market dominance, strategy implementation, technology, human resources, reward system, decision process. Characteristic of the good strategy implementation is an ongoing exercise. Various planning tools are forecasting, contingency planning, scenario planning, a long-term mission, benchmarking, the use of external comparison to the better evaluate. Use of staff planner, lead and coordinate the planning function. Participatory planning requires that planning process include people who will. How participant and involvement help build a commitment. Management by objective is the another tool. A structured process. Management by objective is an integrated planning and control framework. Formal agreement. It involves the formal agreement. The MBO process, supervisors and workers jointly set objectives, establish the standards. Focus workers on the most important task and objective. Focus. We have to make decision making in management. Decision making is the process by which managers respond to the opportunities and threats by analyzing the options and making decision about the goal and the courses of action. Decision in response to the opportunities, manager respond to way to improve organization performance. Decisions in the responses and threats occurs, the manager or impacted by the adverse event to the organization. Type of decision: programmed decision, unprogrammed decision, classical model of decision making. So this is the self-explanatory for our easy understanding. Administrative model of decision making: bounded rationality. Information is incomplete because of the uncertainty of risk. So there are steps to be followed in the decision making. Recognizing a need for decision, manager must first realize the need for which. Second one is the frame the problem. Frame the problem. Managers must frame problem for which decision is to be made. Generating alternatives must develop the feasible alternative courses of action. Then choose the alternative, and then finally implement the best one. Last one is the learn from the feedback. Learn from the feedback. Manager should consider what went right and wrong. So evaluating the alternative based on the legal, ethical, economical, practical. Cognitive bias. Type of cognitive bias or prior hypothesis, representative illusion of control. Group decision making. Many decisions are made in the group setting. Improved grouping decision, devil advocatory, dielectric inquiry,